the horn, the honorable judges and all audience. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aliya Herilka Putri from Islamic Elementary School of Al Furqon, Palembang. Today I'm gonna tell you a story entitled A Crow and a Jug. On a hot day, a crow was flying over a field looking for water. For a long time, she couldn't find any. She was very exhausted. She almost gave up, but suddenly there is a water jug below her. A water jug! So she flew straight down to see if there is any water inside. Oh, there's still some water in the water jug. It was a surprise because there was still some water in the water jug. Then she tried to push her head to drink the water inside. Ow, my head hurt. The neck of the jug was too narrow. And then she tried to push the jug, but the water jug was too heavy. I can't push the water jug. The water jug is too heavy. Then she thought for a while. And she looked around to see some pebbles. I have a good idea. Then she had a good idea. She picked up the pebbles one by one and filled them into the jug to make the water rise. And more and more and more the water filled the jug. The water raised. Yes, it worked, she said. I need some more pebbles to fill the jug. And more pebbles filled the jug. The water rise so she can drink. It worked, she said. Then she drank the water in the jug. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the moral of the story is never give up till you reach something you want. Well, that's for my story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.